Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to replace bleed pressure regulator valve control solenoid. You can find it about each engine pylon, downstream from the precooler. And as always, meanwhile you're watching me replacing it, I'll tell you a little bit about it. Its name describes its function. It is here to control bleed pressure regulator valve. It has two modes, electric and pneumatic. Let's start with the pneumatic mode. It is here to prevent reverse flow. And how it works: the PRV closed when delta pressure between the precooler outlet and the PRV inlet is detected. This mode works automatically with help of the diaphragm inside of the control solenoid. That was pneumatic mode. Now let me tell you a little bit about electrical mode. This mode closes PRV in case of solenoid receive electrical input from operator or from bleed monitoring computer. So what are the inputs? As an operator, you can close PRV by pressing engine bleed push button to off or by releasing engine fire push button. Now let's take a look on the inputs from BMC or bleed monitoring computer. It will send a closing signal in several cases. First of them is over temperature downstream of the precooler. And what does that mean? The heat exchanger outlet temperature sensor sends a temperature above 257 degrees of Celsius. Next case is overpressure. The PRV pneumatically regulates the bleed pressure around 44 psi, but when the pressure regulated transducer sends a pressure greater than 57 psi, BMC will send the closing signal. Then it can be closed in case of leak detection in the pylon, wing or fuselage duct and surrounding areas. And the last two cases are when APU bleed valve and the starter valve on the same engines are not closed. That was all about the solenoid. Now, since replacement is done, I'll show you how the test looks like. First is operational test. By pressing bleed push button, we'll energize the solenoid and you will hear clink. Next is leak check, and for that I will use pressure from the APU. Of course, no leaks are permitted. Well, this is all what I want to show you about control solenoid. Thank you for watching and I will see you on next one. Bye!